2014, the A7S had just come out, and at the time I was cranking my ISO to its max capacity on my previous camera, and I was so smitten with the A7S specs. So I just jumped in and bought it along with the 55mm 1.8, and I was literally blown away. I did candlelight portraits the first couple days I had the camera, and I think that one was 60,000 ISO, and it was just, I was sold after that. It was amazing. I live in a very dark old house. I put a few little candles up a curving staircase, and I just had my daughter sit next to the candle, and it illuminated her, and I just kept cranking that ISO. And when I got the final pictures up to the computer, I was literally giddy. Just giddy with excitement, because this did something for me that I couldn't do before. The A7S lets me do what I want to do with ease.